Now we're going to switch out the power switch on the ES3000. What you'll need to do is take your unit, turn it around, make sure it's unplugged, of course, and then you can see, as you can see there, the switch on this one. You need to take your filter out, which is that one screw there, right there above your filter. Once you get that screw out, you can pop that filter out. And now you can actually take a straight screwdriver or something and pop the back of that switch. Just pop it loose. They can be a little stuck. They got little plastic keepers behind them. Once you get that pulled out, you'll see the wires there hanging. What you'll need to do is get your new switch that we've sent you. It'll look just like that. Your power button, the 0 or the O, will actually go on the top, and then your straight line will go on the bottom. But you need to take your wires loose from your switch. Now, on your switch there, you're going to have the white and the white are going to be on the same side, the black and the black's going to be on the same side. So what you'll need to do is make sure that you take your white one off. Now the plastic parts always go on the top and the little blue things go on the bottom, but it has to go white to white on the same side, black to black on the same side. You'll take those wires now, put the blue ones on the bottom, black on one side, white on one side. Then take your plastic ones that always go to the top, white on the same side as white, black on the same side as black. Then just take your switch now and pop it back in. It's got two keepers on it, one on the top, one on the bottom, just as he's done there. Now you can see that your switch is secure. Take your filter, put your filter back in. Slides in, and then the screw goes in the top. It's got one screw in it. After you get the screw in it, you will successfully have changed out the switch in your ES3000. When you plug it back up, just make sure you turn it back around, plug it back up, turn your switch on, and you're ready to go.